The world stands on the pillar called thought. The thoughts that bring a desire to hope for a better future. The thoughts that bring out the potential of an individual through a desire to change the world towards betterment. We at Gopte Institute of Technology are here to show you what happens when these thoughts meet reality.
An institute that is unbound to its objectives and motives that drives its excellence towards the better quality of education, Karnataka Law Society's Gopte Institute of Technology is permanently affiliated and an autonomous institution under Visvesvaraya Technological University.
The campus is spread across a sprawling mango meadow of over 25 acres. GIT houses more than 8 undergraduate and 9 postgraduate disciplines, including Masters in Management and Computer Applications.
When it comes to infrastructure, every student must be provided with an environment that inspires them towards education. All the departments have well-equipped laboratories with facilities for experiments and studies in areas like flexible manufacturing systems, biomass gasification, fluidized bed combustion chamber, material testing, digital signal processing, high voltage engineering, VLSI, and advanced surveying instruments like total station.
The institution's library does not fail to grab its attention with its ultra-modern amenities with over 1 lakh volumes, 8,000 plus journals, and 16,000 plus ebooks. GIT has been pioneers in setting up the incubation facility in the campus. The main objective of the incubation center is to provide a platform to the youth who have innovative ideas.
It has been rated as one of the top institutes by Silicon India, Competition Success Review, Career 360, CRISIL, etc. The institution has also been among the few institutions to take part in 6 BRICS meetings in Beijing, China. GIT's placement cell has associations with top-notch companies across the globe.
I'm a proud GIT.
GIT has an excellent alumni base across the world who have excelled in various domains. The alumni chapter holds regular social and professional events in the campus to renew and revive ties with the institute.
I'm proud to be GITF. I am a proud GITF.
Proud to be a GIT.
It's been a privilege studying at this college. I'm a proud GIT.
I'm proud to be a GIT.
Aura and Avalanche, the benchmark events of the GIT, are celebrated like a festival by students, which is graced by many celebrities every year.
What GIT taught me is creativity. What GIT taught me is decision. What GIT taught me is education. What GIT taught me is what I am today, a person of high quality.
Come, join us, and we shall show you what truly happens when the thoughts meet reality.
Nano Center at KLS Gupte Institute of Technology is equipped with the instruments like quartz photoreactor, ultracentrifuge, UV visible light sources, peristatic pump, sonicator, autoclave, spin coating machine, optical power meter, micropipettes. Now let us see some of the projects that were carried out in the Nano Center by the students and also the research publications.
Hi, this is Dr. Vaibhav Archate, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, KLS Gupte Institute of Technology. My research interests are in the area of environmental engineering, nanoscience and nanotechnology. Our students have carried out the projects in environmental engineering with special focus on using nanoparticles for treating water and wastewater. In the year 2019, KSCST sponsored 2 projects. The project titles are as follows. removal of pharmaceutical drug from water using kaolinite TiO2 nanocomposite, and removal of industrial dye from water by using GeoSN TiO2 nanocomposite. In the year 2018, our students have carried out the project on removal of environmental contaminant from water using SiO2 TiO2 nanocomposite. Again, this project was sponsored by KSAST. In the year 2016, our students carried out the project on zero-valent iron nanoparticle for the treatment of pharmaceutical compounds. Presently, the final year students are working on the project titled Fast Treatment of Pharmaceutical Waste using iron-based SN-TiO2 nanocomposite. These are few passed out students who already have worked on the projects connected with the synthesis of nanoparticle and using the same for treating water and wastewater.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Harshit B. Kulkarni, working as an associate professor at Mechanical Engineering Department, KLS GIT. Today, I am going to tell you about the various nanoparticles and the work on nanotechnology that our students have taken up to complete their projects. One of the works is the synthesizing of core shell nanostructures, which was conducted at our center. A core shell nanostructure was basically having an inner core and an outer shell of high conducting material. The project done by the students was to enhance the heat carrying capacity of the coolant that is used for metal machining by adding these nanoparticles. We can see from the diagrams the Sol-Gel technique that was used to synthesize these nanoparticles. The students successfully completed their project on an experimental investigation on effect of using near dry machining for vertical machining center. A unique technique of adding nanoparticles to the coolant and machining by using the minimum quantity lubrication technique was successful. This project was selected for exhibition as well as was sponsored by Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology during the year 2019. The project was successfully completed and was awarded the best project of the year. Also, the college received an appreciation as the best performing college for the various projects that were exhibited using concepts of nanotechnology in the field of mechanical engineering. The students have kept their work continued by doing several projects, and presently an MTech student is pursuing his research work on applications of nanotechnology for milling, that is machining. I thank all the supporters, KLS management, Principal GIT, Coordinator Dr. Ravirajam Kulkarni, my Head of Department Dr. V.S. Majli for all the support extended to complete several projects on nanotechnology at KLS GIT. Thank you. Project as well as the work on nanotechnology till date at Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology by the students through projects as well as by myself through the PhD work that we have done has resulted in a number of 5 research publications as per the list here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ganesh Archate, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, KLS Gupta Institute of Technology. So today, here I am showcasing our work at the Nano Center, where we have synthesized different nanoparticles. In the field of mechanical engineering, we have applied this synthesized nanoparticles. So the first one is the nanosilica, which we have synthesized using sodium silicate by Sol-Gel technique. The synthesized nanoparticles were characterized using transmission electron microscopy. These nanosilica were embedded in the phenol formaldehyde resin sand mold system in order to improve the casting quality. This work got published in a journal called as Silicon in Springer publication, which is a Scopus as well as SEI indexed paper. In our next work, we have synthesized Fe2O3 nanoparticles using precipitation method. The characterizations were done using transmission electron microscopy, Fourier transform infrared, X-ray diffraction techniques. So here in this work we have used stir casting methods in order to manufacture aluminum metal matrix nanocomposites. The matrix material used in this work was the waste beverage cans. Along with that, the rejected castings from the industry. Aluminum 6061 scrap castings were used for this particular work. There was significant improvement in the strength of the nanocomposites that were prepared. This work was communicated to the journal Fracture and Structural Integrity and also got accepted. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Nano Center at KLS Gupta Institute of Technology, Dr. R.M. Kulkarni sir, our beloved principal, Dr. J.K. Kittur sir, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, Dr. V.S. Machli sir, and KLS management for their continuous support in the field of the research. Thank you.